Hey everybody, quick video today. I wanted to talk about no me toques. No me toques is a simple expression in Spanish. It means don't touch me. But afterwards we have the hilarious and profane version, which we will talk about in just a moment. Welcome back, by the way, to my sofa in beautiful Barcelona, Spain. This is Learn Spanish with Daniel, and I am, of course, Daniel. Today, we're going to talk about the verb tocar, specifically just in this sentence, no me toques. No me toques, look at the spelling, T-O-Q-U-E-S. No me toques. This is the negative imperative. There's a lot of different verb forms in Spanish. So, like the positive imperative would be toca. Toca eso, ¿no es muy suave? For example, touch this material. Isn't it really soft? That is toca. I'm telling you to do something. But we have a lot of different verb forms in Spanish. So the negative imperative is don't do it. No toques el cuadro. Don't touch the painting. No toques el cuadro. No me toques. No me toques, don't touch me. So, no me toques, just remember that form of the verb. Remember the whole sentence. It's a useful sentence, perhaps, in your Spanish life. The hilarious and profane version of this is no me toques los cojones. No me toques los cojones is don't touch my balls, literally speaking. Figuratively, it's don't bother me. Or, stop bothering me. No me toques los cojones con eso. Like if somebody is calling me, I get all these calls from people trying to get me to change to another electric company. After the fifth call, I could say, no me toques los cojones con eso. Don't bother me about this. If you want a friendlier way of saying don't bother me, it would be no me molestes. That is from the verb molestar, which molestar is bother. I know what molestar sounds like in English if you hear that someone is molestado in Spanish. It's not like a criminal offense or anything. It's just that somebody is bothering them. So, no me molestes is don't bother me. You could also say no me fastidies, which is pretty similar. Fastidiar is just to be annoying. Molestar is also to bother or be annoying. And notice that we're changing the endings here to make it the negative imperative. It's a long story, but no me molestes has the es on the end. No me fastidies has the es on the end. No me toques has the es on the end. If you want something also a little bit similar to no me toques los cojones, you could say no me toques los huevos. Huevos are eggs. Eggs as a synonym for testicles work pretty well in Spanish as well. No me toques los huevos. So for example, if I'm here at home and I don't know, there's other people here at home, I'm trying to take a nap with other people here at home, I could say, no me toques los huevos, estoy durmiendo la siesta. Don't bother me, I'm trying to sleep the siesta. Dormir la siesta is important. It's not with the verb take or anything, not tomar una siesta or anything like that. It's dormir la siesta. So, no me toques los huevos, estoy durmiendo la siesta. Don't bother me, I'm having a nap. I have got a lot more here on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Go to expatmadrid.com as well and sign up for my email messages. I send out email about once a week, depending on what I have that is new on the site, new videos, new podcasts, etc. You can listen to my podcast, Spain to Go. It is here on YouTube and everywhere else as well, Spain to Go. Got about 115 episodes at this point. Lots of ways you can support the channel. Please leave a comment down below with your questions that I can answer in a future video. Nada más por hoy. Hasta la próxima.